and welcome back to my channel, English.Learning.Academy. My name is Ella and today I'll be showing the ins and outs of the grocery shopping. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced shopper, we're here to help you make the most out of your trip to the store. Hello, good morning and welcome. How can I help you? Hello and good morning too. Could I have a kilo of onions, please? Right. And do you have any peaches, apples, and watermelon? Yes. How many would you like? I'd like 4 apples, 7 peaches, and 2 slices of watermelon. Yes, they're lovely. Anything else? No, that's all. Thank you. But please tell me, where can I buy dairy products? You should go to the end of the store, then turn right. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Welcome. How can I help you? Oh, thank you. I'd like some cheese, please. Sure. What would you like? That berry looks nice. Yes, it is. How much would you like? About 200 grams. Right. This piece is just over. Is it okay? That's fine, thank you. Okay. Anything else? No, I think that's okay. Let me think. Yes, I need some more. A loaf of white bread and a dozen eggs and milk, please. Sure. How much milk would you like? A carton of milk. That's okay. And some butter. And a bottle of oil. And what kind of oil would you like? A small bottle of olive oil. Thanks. Yes, I think now it's finished. Thank you very much. Okay, here you are. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Glossary. Could I have? This is a polite way to say I want. That's it, or that's all. I don't want any more things. I'd like. I would like. This is another polite way to say I want. Just over. A little more than. And opposite of just over is just under. Anything else? Do you want any more things? Dairy products, milk products, or lactacenia. Loaf of bread. Bread which has been shaped and baked in one piece. A dozen. A grouping of 12 objects, shapes, or numbers. A spotlight. How much and how many? How much used with uncountable nouns. For example, how much butter do you want? How many used with countable nouns. For example, how many apples do you need? Countable or uncountable. Let's learn some countable nouns. Peach, peaches. Tomato, tomatoes. Banana, bananas. Courgette, courgettes. Pear, pears. Egg, eggs. Pineapple, pineapples. Potato, potatoes. Onion, onions. Olive, olives. Let's learn some uncountable nouns. rice, meat, butter, jam, seafood, fruit, milk, cheese, honey, bread. Unscramble the words and make a sentence. 12 have, could, please, egg, I. Could I have 12 eggs, please? Number 2. Please, some, like, I, sugar, would. I would like some sugar, please. 3. Do, ham, you, any, have. Do you have any ham? 4. Much, would, cheese, how, like, you. How much cheese would you like? 5. That's, kilo, just, half, a, over. That's just over half a kilo. 6. Oranges, many, like, would, how, you. How many oranges would you like? 7. Eat, that's, thanks. That's it. Thanks.